So once again, this little 30 fuse goes right there. You can see this little slot right there. Right there. That's where the 30 fuse goes. You can blow that really easily if you're running too much power, right? So my husband, or my ex-husband, was running the generator out of town, and he was basically running the whole damn thing on the generator. So you should get a 30 fuse. I think that's what's in there. Yeah, 30 fuse. It's the green one, and it fits in that little slot. So if you take it out, okay, I'm not having. Yeah, if you take it out, ladies and gents, if you don't know what a blown fuse looks like, basically it's this little part right here, this little U part. If that is broken, then you have a blown fuse. So in this case, it's a 30, and it's not blown. So let's see where it goes. It goes right in this little slot right here. And it's kind of a hard spot to get to, so I'm going to put the phone down for 2 seconds. And get it. So basically, if you look, it just fits in the top slot. See? And just check everything around there, see if there's anything else that looks damaged or blown, because mice can get in there. And then once again, here's the wiring diagram. So we have the big thick one that goes to the fridge, into this one. Then we got this copper one going to the side and running somewhere out there. And then we got a yellow one on top, a white one. There we go. Yep. Yellow, white, white, white. So it looks like we have 4 whites. Yeah, 4 whites. Okay. And it looks a little twisted there, the bottom. I'll check that out. Yeah, it looks a little twisted, but okay. So then on this right hand side, we have okay, shoot. Oh yeah, this one's a little complex here. Here, we're gonna check it out. Oh shit. There. Okay, so we got 3 reds and 1 blue. Okay, so this blue one sticks out. All the 3 reds are attached together. Oh, 4 reds. Actually 3 reds and then 1 red on the left, the middle. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's let's go for it. It is 11, 8, 10, and 9. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, so the first row is 11, 10, 8, and 9 for red. 1 blue one that comes out is 12, and that goes to the pink one, and it doesn't look like the pink one's numbered. Okay, so 12 goes to pink from the first row. Second row we got, oh there we go. Okay, second row we got, oh yeah, 2 black on top, 2 grounds, whatever, and then a white one at the very bottom, which could be the cable for something. Okay, so second one is red, red. Oh yeah, we got a few reds in here. Okay, so we got we got 4 reds, and one of these reds comes from this side, which is I think it's this one. Yeah, hold on, let me see. Okay, yeah, that one's 8. 8 comes from the other side. I don't know why they're attached, but anyways. Okay, so we got 12, which is the blue one that goes across the pink. Then this top blue one on the left hand side. Actually, no, that's on the right. Okay, so what is this one here? Sorry, I can't see really well. So, okay, so this row is right there. Okay, let's check it out. So we got the pink again. We got 6. We got we got the reds once again, which are doesn't really say. Oh, 5 and 7. Yeah, 5 and 7, I think. Yep. So 5 and 7 go from the middle over to the white. Oh no, that's the gray. So the 5 goes to the gray. And where's this other one? There we go. And also the 7 goes to the brown, the beige. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. So yeah, once again, so the second row, which would be the middle, is red. 4 reds. I think that's how it goes. Yeah, 4 reds. So the first red goes into, once again, it goes into the beige one. Wait, this one goes. Oh yeah, this one goes to the pink. So that would be number 6. Okay, 7 goes to brown, and 5 goes to gray on the second row. Okay, so the last row is blue. And blue, and here we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so we gotta work around here. So the last one is blue is 1. And purple? Yeah, blue and purple is number 1. Right there. Okay, and then second one is this whole row of reds down here. Second red is number, let me see. Oh, what should this say on the side? Number 4. Yes, number 4 in yellow. And then last one for this last row would be number 3 and orange. And those are all hooked up. That's the wiring harness. And then we got 2 of these big black ones to the tip here, which will be our ground. And then we got 1 big black one coming from the top, all together. Okay? And then that's basically it for the wiring diagram. Okay, so check that fuse back there. If it's not blown, that was my initial first change when I had that. Here is the breaker box. It says, okay, so number 1 is the bath amp. Number 2 is the pump, 15 amp. Number 3 is the, it's kind of hard to say, something refrigerator or freezer / refrigerator. And, oh no, maybe furnace. Yep, and then number 4 is bed, 15 amp. And number 5, TV, radio, 15 amp. Ceiling lights is 6. 7 is optional. 8 is the slide out lights, spare. And number 9 is slide out amp, auto. Okay, so that's the first one. This is the second one. We got main. A is the AC. B is the microwave. C is the GFI kitchen bath or whatever. D is the utility converter and water heater. So this is on this side. Now this is how it looks, okay? So inside we got this, all these diagrams. And that's for a whole other day, okay? And this is what the breaker box. And then here we go. Here is the actual amp situation. Okay, and let's check all those fuses and I'll get back to you soon. Stay tuned.